In the previous video, we have discussed about the principle of counting for permutation combination. In today's video, we are going to talk about the factorial for permutation and combination. Hello everyone, my name is Shyam Manawat. Let's go to the computer screen and understand factorial for permutation and combination. This explanation sign is known as factorial notation. What is the meaning of this notation? So this notation n factorial is product of first n natural number. I'm sure you must be aware about the natural numbers. If not, when I say natural number, you should imagine countings which you have studied in the school time. So how have we studied the countings? 1, 2, 3, 4. So these are natural numbers. Okay. So starts from 1 and then it goes on. So factorial, n factorial means what? Product of first n natural number. Now let's take some example. You have 4 factorial. So this 4 factorial is 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. First 4 natural numbers. 5 factorial will be 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. First 5 natural numbers. Product of first 5 natural numbers. Now here you can also see this 5 factorial as we have seen 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now this 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, this part, can I say this highlighted part can be written as 4 factorial 2, right? So I can write this as 5 into 4 factorial, correct? So here we can conclude this as, if I have n factorial, I can write that as n into n minus 1 factorial, correct? Now this conclusion you should remember as the result, as the output, okay, as a formula, that n factorial is product of first n natural number. N factorial can also be written as n into n minus 1 factorial, okay? Like how you have seen here, 5 factorial is 5 into 5 minus 1. This 4 can be written as 5 minus 1. Okay, let me write it this way so that it will be easy for you to understand. I can write this as bracket 4. I can write 4 as 5 minus 1. Now you will be able to relate it very well. Great. Okay. Remember, 0 factorial is 1, and there is no question of discussing about factorial of negative, because we are talking about n factorial is product of first n natural number. So negatives are not natural number. We don't have to discuss about factorial of decimals or fractions, not needed. To make your calculation faster, it's very important to remember the factorial values till 10 factorial. Okay, so pick up your notebook and start writing this. 1 factorial is 1, 2 factorial is 2, 3 factorial is 6. Yeah, you can keep multiplying the number with the previous one. That means 4 factorial. If I want to write 4 factorial, I can say 4 factorial as 4 into 6. That will be 24, right? 4 into 6. Why 4 into 6? 4 into 3 factorial, right? Now 5 factorial is 120. I hope you understand this. It's 5 into 4 factorial. Yes. So 5 into 24 is 120. That's how you can remember, understand, learn. 6 factorial is 720. 7 factorial is 5040. 8 factorial is 40320. 9 factorial is 362880. Okay, let's go through these numbers once again. 1 factorial is 1, 2 factorial is 2, 3 factorial is 6, 4 factorial is 24, 5 factorial is 120. So I'm sure till here you must have been clear and it's easy to remember. The difficulties will be with these 4 numbers, but they are only 4 numbers here. Yeah, I'm sure you can put a little bit of efforts to remember these numbers. So 6 factorial is 720, 7 factorial is 5040. Let's remember this way, 5040. 8 factorial is 40320. 40320. 9 factorial is 362880. 9 factorial is 362880. Okay. And 10 factorial, no hassle, because we just need to put 10 next to 9 factorial value. Okay, so it's 362880. It's very important to remember 1 factorial till 10 factorial so that your calculation can be little faster. So I got some easy, simple, silly questions for you. 5 factorial we have learned just now. 5 factorial can be written as 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, and if you multiply you get 120. Similarly, 7 factorial equal to into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. That is 7 factorial. Now, for 7 factorial minus 5 factorial, can we do 7 minus 5 factorial as 7 minus 2 take factorial sign common? No, not at all. You cannot take factorial sign common, okay? Remember this. So, what you have here, you need to simplify 7 factorial separately, okay? And 5 factorial separately, okay? That is one way of doing. Other ways you can simplify 7 factorial. For example, if you have got big numbers, 7 factorial and 5 factorials are easy small numbers. Suppose if you have got big numbers and you need to subtract these factorial. So what you can do there, let's take example here itself. I will write this as 7 into 6 into 5 factorial. Yeah, I hope that's fine with you. You can see this 7 factorial, this part 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, this part I can write as 5 factorial, correct? So 7 factorial I write like this minus 5 factorial as it is, okay? This will give me an opportunity to take 5 factorial common, and then I have what? 7 into 6 is 42 minus 1, right? If you take 5 factorial common from this term and this term, so here you have only 7 into 6 remaining, and here if you take 5 factorial common you have only 1 remaining, right? This will make it easy for you to simplify. 5 factorial is 120. So if you get big numbers, that's how you can take them, okay, and multiply, you will get the answer, right? So the keynote or the takeaway from this particular question, you cannot take factorial sign common, okay? Well, next question is 7 factorial by 5 factorial. So these kind of situations you will get a lot in permutation and combination, where you have to divide two numbers which are expressed in factorial form. So what you do in this case, let's write the 7 factorial to be 7 into 6 and remaining values will write as 5 factorial. I hope this part is clear to you compared to the previous example. Divided by 5 factorial as it is, and then we can cancel this 5 factorial directly. That's possible. You can cancel because this 5 factorial is also 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. So they are same. So 5 factorial, we can divide them, we can cancel them. So you have only 7 into 6. 7 6 are 42 here. Okay. So if you have factorial in division, do not simplify this entire thing. Break it down. See what you can cancel with the denominator or with the numerator. One more example. So 12 factorial by 10 factorial into 2 factorial. So here also, tell me what we should do. We should simply write 12 into 11 and keep 10 factorial as it is, because this 10 factorial in denominator we can cancel here. Okay. Yeah, this 2 factorial we should simplify it further. We should make it 12 into 11 and 2 factorial is simply 2. 2 6 are 12, and then here we got what? 66. So that's the answer. So as I said earlier also, we are discussing basics. We are starting from scratch. So these all videos are for beginners. Okay. If you are advanced, or if you have studied these basics already and you want to see the advanced level, then you can watch my upcoming videos. This is it in today's video. I hope the factorial for permutation combination concept is clear to you. I will see you in the next video. Till then, keep learning, stay healthy and stay happy. Bye-bye.